hit that like and subscribe and comment. Ring the bell for notifications, and on top of that, let us grow. Let us learn from this. Let's do this.
Exactly.
We're 400 away from 1,000, so what are you doing? Hit the button. Just push it. That's all you got to do.
It's so easy. Hi, I'm Jayce.
And I'm Josh.
Welcome back to Stiltner's Garage. Today we will be replacing these axles.
New, old.
That one looks kind of dirty. Dad.
He says these are heavy.
I want to hold this one.
You want to hold that one?
I want to try it.
So he's holding the original OEM one.
Yeah.
This isn't my first time doing axles on the car. This is a Napa. Price difference is the biggest reason I'm doing it. If I'm going to break the OEM, I might as well spend cheaper and break a cheaper one. Better warranty, because OEM ain't going to give me a warranty. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and remove one of them, because the other one, I got to clean grease out from underneath the car from where the boots, honestly, the axles ain't broke. The boots are leaking. So I'm going to probably just take these off, reboot them, reseal them, all that good stuff. Set them on the sideline because I know down the road I'll be here again. So let's dig in. All right, so I was explaining to the kids the difference in axles and what they're for. They said, why ain't you recording it? So I guess we're going to make this a, what we're going to call this, a lesson, science experiment, magic school bus trip, what?
Magic school bus trip.
All right, we're going to do a magic school bus trip. This is your axle. I'm going to butcher some words in here because I got my own terms that I use, and there's technical terms you use, and I'll forget them. So this side's got your axle cup on it. This is what goes to the differential. I'm just going to call this the CV joint end of it. You'll let me know in the comments. So once this is bolted to your rear end, the rear end really don't flex too much. It's got bushings, but it's not going to flex that bad. This side's what's to your hub, and as you're going down the road, you got your flex. My situation, there's always splines on the inside of there, hooked to the 3 little things that go into the cup with the bearings on it. For some odd reason, I always break the ring thing, and that's always been my failure point. So that's why we're here. That's the purpose of these. That's why they wiggle. And when the boot rips, you're about to see what kind of mess we have. There you go. Magic school bus fact. All right, so what we're going to do now, since we're down here, we got to remove the brake caliper off.
All right.
Once we get that off, we got to remove this axle nut.
All right.
Once that's off, I'm pretty sure we got to go underneath to the rear end, take the nuts and bolts out from up there, and then if I'm not mistaken, it's either the upper control arm I got to take off or the lower. We'll find out when that day comes. So right now we're going to hit it with a 15 on the back. Now look, anytime you got to remove rotors or calipers, make sure your e-brake's off. Because if not, you'll be down here forever wondering why it's not coming off.
Can I try to hold it?
Nah, here in a minute. So we got that off. That means this should come right off.
I don't think I want to hold that one though.
Yeah, we don't want to drop that on the floor. We drop that on the floor, it's a bad day. We got to wait for a new rotor to come in.
Oh no.
So now I got to figure out, remember what size this is. All right, buddy. The axle nut's a 36 millimeter. If you want to step in over here,
Yeah.
you're going to take it off.
Oh, yay.
Yeah. So I already bent your safety tab out. So go ahead and step over that tool over here.
Ready?
There you go. Yep. There you go.
Can I?
So the nut that came off, these axles are usually supplied with nuts. I would go ahead and just put it back on the bad axle, either set it on the shelf for a core, or if you know somebody, you want to rebuild it, or if you want to tackle it, fun project for you on the side, I would still advise before you got to reuse it to replace that nut. I would not reuse those nuts. That's just me. Everyone's got their own opinion, but that's what I do. So now we're going to slide up underneath it, and then we're going to start on the chunk, getting those bolts off. All right, so what we're doing here is we're going to go from the upper part of the upper control arm, bring it down. That's what I did last time. So bring that down. That should fold all this forward. Before you got to bring this forward, be sure to take out your ABS sensor. It's a 10mm bolt. You don't want that strain on. It's a cheap part, but it can cause a check engine light and ABS light and a bunch of other lights you don't want. It's one 10mm bolt from saving you a headache. So we'll go ahead and get that off. We'll get these two off up here. Next one, you will need extensions, or if you got one good long one, that's all you'll need. Got that one out. Now there's the fillet we was looking for. So now we just opened all that up. And like I told you, dude, every time it's grease everywhere. Now, I did just pull it out of the socket up top, or it's home. Looky there, more of it. Fantastic. So, that's what's worrying me. So, we got to slide it out from the back of the hose. Oh boy, we got it. She's coming. It's working for me. All right, Jayce. We took the upper control arm off.
All right.
So now what you want to do is that you pull. All right, now we got it where we get it. We'll push on this, and as it comes out, that should slide out. That's your splines. This is considered your hub. This is your wheel hub. Okay?
Okay.
So you want to push. It's sliding out. Push as far as, and that's as far as it's going to let me go. So now we're going to sit here. Now it ain't going to let me push from the side, so we go to the back and kind of fight with it. There's that end. So what we'll do now we get to slide underneath the car, take those bolts out, put the new axle in, and reverse everything we just did.
All right.
So since I took it apart, and you've been here the whole time, you get to show them putting it back together.
No.
Why? You don't trust yourself?
No.
Why?
I don't know.
Why not?
I don't know.
It's as simple as just putting bolts back in where they go.
Oh, all right. That sounds easy enough.
We'll see about that. All right, so now since we're back here at the rear chunk, you'll need a 14 wrench and a 14 socket. So I think it's like 6, 2, 4, yeah, there's 6 of them. So we'll go ahead and get these off there. Go ahead and put those in a safe spot. Oh yeah, that just settled it. Alright, so we're back with the new one slid in. Go ahead and make some racket. There's a little pin that y'all, if you look in the beginning of the video on the flat flange, you'll see a pin. It's like a centering pin to the axle. You'll slide that right on in. It shouldn't give you no problems. If it does, which probably means you got the wrong axle. So, right now would be a good time to mention you really should put on some safety glasses, especially down here. with all the road debris and everything it catches. I have had to get metal cut out of my eye. Knock on wood, the first time I actually thought to wear safety glasses, I had to get metal cut out of my eye. All right, we just got finished putting the axle in. Like I said, I'm not gonna bore y'all doing the other side.
Because we would just have to redo that process, so
Yeah.
we don't want to like bore y'all. And
So guys, letting you know we are 400 subscribers away from the big 1,000. So with that being said, at 1,000, he shaves my head. The beard will come at 1,000 and once we're monetized. Because the subscribers we're getting is easy, but y'all ain't watching the videos all the way through. We really need that watch time. So with that being said, at 1,000, he will shave my head. We will try to do a car show or cars and coffee in our hometown once we make it to that milestone. Sorry, we kind of took a break for a while. Holidays, and we got blessed with the sickness in the household. And so finally those storms have passed, the holidays have passed, and we're back to working on the car. Like I said up underneath the car, we got multiple projects to work on. I don't know if I wanted to bore y'all with working on the tractors and stuff around the farm and all that stuff. Once I get the axles on this car, we're going to drop it back down off the jack stands, and we're going to bring the goat carts into the frame and start working on them to get them ready at springtime.
At 10,000 subscribers, I want to go bald. 10,000 subscribers, I'll go bald.
Before anybody commits to anything, you talking to your mama on that one.
Nope.
I'm saying no. You talking to mama on that one. I'm out on this one. This is between y'all and his mama.
10,000.
With that being said, guys, if you want to see more random content versus us just working on this car, trust me, I've got a lot to work. I've got a couple tractors bringing to work on.
And so if y'all just want random content, say it in the comments.
Yeah, tell us in the comments. Do you want us to sit here and vlog our daily life? Do you vlog coming to the office to work on it? Or do you like just the DIY, technical, us working on cars? Let us know. We want to learn from y'all's feedback. So with that being said,
Stiltner's Garage.
signing out.